of eSatsang and ISRO EduSat SITs since the last presentation of September 28, 2024.
Radha Swami. The average attendance from November 28 to January 29, 2025 on weekdays in the morning session was 10,961 and in the evening session it was 15,700.
वॉल्यूम कम कैसे हो गया?
And in the evening session it was 15,774. On Sundays, in the morning session, it was 13,499, and in the evening session, it was 18,898. The attendance statistics on Bhandara of Param Guru Huzur Maharaj is as shown in the table. It was 18,407 during Aarti, and in the afternoon session, during Bhandara Preeti Bhoj, it was 33,770. The global superhuman kind in the afternoon session was 1,646. The maximum attendance statistics from November 28, 2024 to January 29, 2025 is as shown. The Keth attendance on weekdays was the highest on 28/12/2024 and it was 1161. On Sundays, it was highest on 12/1/25 in the evening session and it was 636. The global audio-video count on weekdays was highest on 1st of January 2025 and it was 18,485, and on Sundays it was on 22nd December 2024 and it was in the evening session it was 20,128. The global strength superhuman kind count on weekdays was the highest on 1st January 2025 in the evening session and it was 869. And on Sundays, it was on 22nd December 2024. In the evening session, it was 1,037. Radha Swami.
We next have item number 4B to request Professor K. Shanti Swarup to make a presentation on EDEI www.education since the last presentation of September 28, 2024.
Radha Swami. My presentation is divided into two parts. Status of online programs. Status of progress made in the gracious guidance received from time to time. Status of existing online programs. Certificate in soft skills for success in the workplace. Module 2 is in progress. Details of facilitators are given on the screen. Next. Postgraduate certificate in financial services. Module 3 is in progress. Details are shown on the screen of various facilitators. Next. Postgraduate certificate in career progression for working professionals. Module 3 is in progress. Details of facilitators are given here. Next. Status of approved online programs. Postgraduate certificate in clinical data analysis. Course resources are being developed for the following courses shown here. Target date of commencement of this program is July 2025. Next. Postgraduate certificate in Introduction to Data Analytics. Course resources are being developed for the following courses shown here. Target date of commencement is July 2025. Next. Following online programs will be taken up in a phased manner post Academic Council approvals. PG certificate in Human Rights and Gender Sensitization. Certificate in Skills for Successful Running of a Business. Next. Status of progress made in the gracious guidance received from time to time. HRD cells developed in each faculty are regularly providing guidance in the area of subject selection, academic guidance and career opportunities to girl students. List of beneficiary girl students faculty wise for the period July to December 2024 is shown in the table given here. Total 322 girl students have benefited between July December 2024. Next. The group sessions carried out under HRD cells are shown on this slide. These focused on professional training, academic progress, subject selection, career opportunities. Radha Swami.
We next have item number 5A, which is to request Dr. S.K. Satsangi to make a presentation on Adi's activities since the last presentation on September 28, 2024.
Radha Ami, I am submitting the activities of Adis during the period from 1st November to 31st December 2024. The overall activities of Hadis, the ordinary members are 1,832, associate members 2,487, total is 4,319. Corpus balance on 31st December 2024 is 44.90 crores. Corpus contribution received during the report period is 27.09 lakhs. Number of membership allotted during report period is 9. Contribution given to DI during the report period for development and maintenance of Anupam Ubban is rupees 15 lakhs. By the grace, member of Adis celebrated Shiksha Divas on 1st January 2025 with great enthusiasm. The event was held in morning agricultural fields venue in real physical and virtual reality mode. Two sub-parts were recited by Adis of the DEI and DRSAE Property Holding CIO and erstwhile Dalbagh ex-Student Association. 19th Annual General Meeting of members of Hadis was held wherein 1,220 members attended. The next slide, the activity of Continuing Education Center at DI is on the screen. Next slide please. The activity is continued. Next, the activity in the Bangalore, Swaminagar, etc. is continued. The competitive exam cell, UGC Net Study Group, 7 new registrations were there. For Civil Services Group, 16 students have registered. Adis has organized guest lectures for industry-specific courses, which is on the screen. Next slide. The guest lecture is continued. Now the Civil Service Training Program, in the first success since the commencement of the program, a student enrolled as part of the batch of 2018 has passed the main examination of the Union Public Service Commission, and his interview was scheduled on 22nd January. In Quality and ISO, Stage 1 audit at DI, which was conducted on 6th and 7th December 2024, passed successfully. Auditor has recommended the Stage 2 audit, final certification audit, in April 2025. The Adis chapters report is on the screen. Next slide. The Adis Training, Counseling and Mentoring Center, by grace, activities of TCMC have picked up this year compared to last year. Total registration last year were about 30. This year it was 174 as on date. Next slide. Adis Skill Resource Center, training of 12th batch continued during the period. 30 students are undergoing treatment. By the grace, based on the feedback provided by trainees, the total sale of 6.4 lakhs was there during the period April to November 2024 as compared to rupees 5 lakh 42,000 during the same period. Now, academic related work, geography, class 6th, 7th and 8th modules completed. For postgraduate certificate in clinical data analysis, development of modules by resource persons done. For BCom honors, fourth semester, videos for all 90 lessons completed and submitted. For fifth semester, videos for 49 lessons completed and submitted so far. For sixth semester, videos for 30 lessons completed and submitted so far. Total additional lessons for which videos submitted since last report is 10. Radha Swami.
We next have item number 5B to request Shri V. Prem Sarup to make a presentation on activities of ADI's EPAC since the last presentation on September 28, 2024.
Radha Swami. Next slide, please. My present, DI placement related. As you can see from the screen, placement for engineering is 6%, that is 15 students placed out of 271 till date. That's the campus placement figures. MBA, 120 students placed out of 322. Technical, 10 students placed out of 464. Here I would like to make a remark that placement in MBA is better due to innovative concept of allowing students the exit option of joining the company after co-op, while last semester exams can be given while they are working in the company from different centers. Now, next slide, please. From the past data, if you see, this year placements is showing a downward trend, and especially data for engineering is showing quite a big downward trend compared to earlier years. And companies are becoming very short-term oriented for recruiting entry-level jobs. Pickup is expected after April 25 for all the faculties, and placement may go on till August, September 25. Next slide, please. As far as distance education is concerned, preparations for the next year are going on. The placements will take place only from May onwards. Next slide, please. DI EPAC placements. Out of 52 candidates, 10 candidates have been placed in last 2 months, which is about 20%, which is nearly same as earlier figures. Next slide, please. The placement data, no significant trend is observed. Next data, please. Again, here also there is no significant trend to talk about. Next slide, please. As far as zonal activity is concerned, I would like to give a summary. North and West Zone are reorganizing themselves by creating a new team for placing specially engineering students. As far as East Zone is concerned, they are doing special efforts for placement of DIPMA and DEC students. As far as South is concerned, they are making special efforts to build capability of MBA students and their placement, while continuing to help engineering faculty for placement of students. Next slide, please. As far as FD's EPAC is concerned, the 5 candidates were placed out of 32, which is about 15%. Next slide, please. Summary of regional activities. One can see from the screen that activities in Asia Pacific, Australia, UK, Canada, USA were mainly focused on counseling, guest lectures, CV support, and interview practice, etc. Radha Swami.
We next have item number 6 to request Professor V.B. Gupta to make a presentation on the progress of World Wide Web Education program since the last presentation on September 28, 2024.
I will make my presentation under the 4 heads shown on the screen. Item number 1, data on fresh admission in Module 3 of Certificate Program and 3 standalone modular programs. 101 students' admission was approved